Very impressed with Kia. I wish the motors would be better, so hopefully they are. But look at this spec. Sorento X-Line SX Prestige 2.5 all-wheel drive.
First off, it needs a shorter name. We'll go with that.
2.5 turbo, 281 horsepower, 311 pounds of torque.
8-speed.
8-speed dual clutch auto transmission.
All-wheel drive plus terrain mode.
Could this be an Audi S3, S5 competitor? I don't know. But
take a look at the seats.
Interior, sporty grab handles.
Yeah.
You got your textured faux wood.
Cup holder.
Your leather trim. Fancy schmancy there.
I do like how across the Hyundai motors you have this. You can just reach your hand in and chip, 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 chip. I do like that because it's nice and smooth and natural. I like that.
Nice textured steering wheel.
Okay.
It's more of an oblong. It's kind of like a stretched circle now.
Yeah, it is.
Got that beautiful seat. You got your X-Line embossed in the seat.
Nice. Oh, and you also got, once again, so this is the same as the Toy right over there. You got your vented buttons right here, so you can switch from heated. You got your switch, so you can hit switch from heated to just vented, and you got 3 different vented modes to be able to go through, so you get more air through the seat. So that's pretty cool. But you have individually that you can switch it.
Shifter and paddle shifter.
Yes, exactly. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and that's a nicely done paddle shifter. Look at that right there, just and then. Yeah, that's nice. And once again, parking brake. Oh, and you got all of your modes, so you don't have to switch through the screen to change your modes. You have your little knob here that you can switch between the modes that are available on the car. So that I like as well. That's really, really cool. So you can see if you're in terrain and what drive you're in as well. So that's definitely nice. But yeah, that's definitely nice. I like that. So nice handle right here as well to get in and out of. A little bit flat on the interior, but it really comes together quite nice.
I think we're looking at a wolf gray interior.
Yeah.
You've got the whole front panel carried to the back.
Ooh, once again.
You have a beautiful seat.
Awesome.
You can angle, give yourself a reclined seat to a degree. You got your air vents, very similar. But this still seats better than the Honda Pilot and the Honda Passport. To me.
Oh, okay. I'll have to try that.
Look in the back.
Yeah, you got a third row. Only 2 seats. They're not 3 seats. It's a 2.
I don't know how comfortable they are.
Yeah.
I was surprised you do have a third row.
All right, let's see here. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm just gonna jump in real quick. Oh yeah, you're sitting upright like an SUV, not a sedan.
And that's on a
nice.
slight recline too.
Yep. So we got your 12-volt, and looks like you got a plug in there as well. And then you got USB-Cs in the side here, and you can also see we got a USB-C and a USB up there in the front, so that's nice. But yes, it sits up so much better than the Hondas. That is true. It feels so much better.
Fold it all the way down.
Also got a Bose system in here too.
Or you
so
pop
nice.
it up.
Oh,
button
nice.
in the back. Yeah, button in the back won't let you roll it up.
Okay.
Forwards.
Looks like we got USB-C in the back as well. Oh, nice. So USB-C
power assistant
in the back. We got I think we got another 12-volt plug back there, so that's pretty cool. We got cup holder, got a little tray here, which you can also probably use to get yourself up and out if you needed to.
No air vents for the back.
Not that I see, no. Yeah, see. Okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad. All right.
Oh, you're still sitting on the floor though.
You're still sitting on the floor back there? Well, that kind of makes sense, honestly.
These are for small humans.
Yeah. But this middle seat is much better.
Ages of 5 to 7.
Yeah. So
very small.
So how much? So
don't move.
Very small person. You can't move any further back. Yeah. That's crazy. Okay. So yeah. Nice. Alrighty. So yeah, but definitely the middle seats to the front seats far better sitting position because you don't feel like your feet are all the way up. Yeah, that's very, very comfy. That's very, very comfy seat there.
A suede headliner too. Oh, the Alcantara.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, please do so that we can not buy it. That's also a nice roof. Actually opens and stuff. That's cool. A very, very nice car. I like that. Yeah, so much. Okay.
Total is 49,000.
49,000.
40.
Okay.
Crazy price, yes.
Yeah.
But for the features
overall, yeah, especially with those seat options, That is cool. So let's take a look at the style. Oh,
Don't like the wheels.
now see, once again, if they did the polish, then it would look like those wrench wheels. That's what it would look like. But yeah, that's kind of that is a weird wheel.
The black foam Kia.
So styling on the back, not too bad. See if this one will open for us. Yeah, button. I don't feel any buttons. Yep, no buttons that I can feel anyways. So
it might be a projector.
Sensor, yeah, not sure. Got multiple cameras for your backup and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. The LEDs definitely look good. Oh, now this is interesting. Look at this abrupt stop to the roof rail.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah, this is kind of a neat breakup of the...
Yeah, it breaks it up. Potentially that's so that they can put like the trims and stuff right there, so it's already built in.
Cool headlight design. It's
yeah.
a very minimal.
But it gives
so
you
much better.
It gives you that continuation from the Telluride to the Sorento. It gives you that same look, which doesn't look too bad. And then,
from that one,
yeah, whatever that one is, the Sportage. The Sportage. It goes from Telluride, Sorento to the Sportage, but for the most part, they keep the styling consistent between the three.
this is the same wheel.
Yeah.
The polish. And the headlight, you have the same design here.
Yeah.
But it looks so much cleaner without the Sportage look.
Right. Yeah, it looks a lot better than the Sportage. Good looking car.
Today, I would like one of these.
Yeah.
Exact spec.
And then also, I do like how they're doing their logos more of just like it's just flush with the hood, and it's actually on the hood instead of being a subsection of the vehicle instead. So it looks really good and clean. So and the black top.
Look
so we
how
got
small this wiper is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. But you see, you also go to from the roof rails all the way back. It's the black top to match with the sunroof that you got going on. That looks pretty good.
That's an amazing.
All right, guys, that is it for the content on this video. But we got more coming for the car show as well. So make sure you check out those videos. Either you're going to be in a playlist or the videos somewhere over by Todd's face over there. So, anyways, check those videos out, and we'll see you here next time. Bye bye.